device that easily sorts and saves your precious moments. Over 1 billion people lose their cherished memories every year due to technology malfunctions and accidents. The PhotoStick changes that with its built-in software that automatically finds, sorts, and saves photos and videos across all your devices in minutes. To back up your photos from your computer, simply plug the stick in and click the PhotoStick icon that appears on your desktop. Then, click the Backup button and watch as the PhotoStick does the hard work for you. With its compact and portable design, the PhotoStick fits almost anywhere. To back up photos and videos from your phone, simply download the companion mobile app, plug in the PhotoStick, and begin your quick and easy backup. Store and view your photos across all your devices, and easily share memories with friends and family for all to remember. Safe keep your photos and videos with the PhotoStick Omni.
My father passed away a couple of years ago, and when I was looking through the computer to find those pictures of our last Christmas together, I couldn't find them. It was a feeling that I never want to experience again. It felt like I was going to have a heart attack. And then I realized a couple of years ago I was using a different computer. I was able to finally find those photographs, but the feeling that I had was horrible. I had not only lost my father, but I had also felt that I lost the pictures, and therefore I was letting him down. As luck would have it, I was on Facebook, and I came across this advertisement for this new product called ThePhotoStick. And it promises that it could save all of my photographs and videos in one space. I'm going to plug this in right here. And I'm going to open this up. And the nice thing is I don't have to install any software or anything. Now the directions say I just have to click this go button. So there I go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how quickly it is finding all of these files. It has searched 1,109 folders. It has found over 2,200 photos and videos. It's even found my duplicates and those that I've already saved. It's amazing. And one of the great features of this product is that it will sort and organize. Now, with all of these photos and videos saved in one place, I can find that one special moment without having a heart attack and wondering, oh my gosh, did I delete that photo, or which computer is it on? Thousands of family videos and photos saved from disaster because of the PhotoStick.
What's the issue with photo backup? Well, for the most part, we don't do it, right?
It's going to find every single picture and every single video archived on my phone.
Plug and go. Really super easy.
You know, it's so easy to use. I already have it plugged in right here, and it's scanning my computer even right now.
It removes duplicates, so it automatically filters out your duplicate videos and photos.
Now I have all my photos on this little stick right here.
To have an actual hard copy is sometimes good when you want to back up some really important stuff.